Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by fitting fresh batteries and confirming a secure mount for the Sightmark laser. Always keep the firearm unloaded and pointed in a safe direction while you handle the device. Set up a visible target at exactly 25 yards to reduce parallax and simplify the process. Use a target with a 1-inch aiming point so you can clearly see offsets. Place the firearm on a stable rest to remove shooter error during adjustments. Turn on the laser and verify the dot is steady before proceeding. With the firearm stable on a rest, bring the laser onto the target area. Look through the optic if used, and note the laser dot relative to the 1-inch aiming point. Begin by adjusting windage until the dot moves horizontally toward the aim point. Then adjust elevation until the laser dot moves vertically into the aiming point center. Make short incremental turns and then recheck the dot at 25 yards after each adjustment. Confirm that the dot remains steady and centered before finishing. After initial zeroing, confirm the laser alignment at additional distances like 10 yards and 50 yards. Record the battery type and the exact settings so you can quickly replicate your setup later. If the dot drifts over time, inspect the mount and red-iron screws to the manufacturer recommended torque. Avoid over-tightening, which can damage mounts or optics. Replace batteries immediately if dot brightness fades during use. Store the unit in a padded case to protect the emitter and preserve zero.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.